Before I show you how to assemble aPour, I need to show you how to disassemble it. This one has an empty bag in it, so it's ready for recycling. So to disassemble it, I like to set the aPour on something like a towel so it doesn't scratch its glossy surface. So to disassemble, just apply pressure here in front of those rear tabs. Now I'm going to push down until it releases and hang on to this foot so that it doesn't go flying. Because the empty bag is in there, the front is still trapped. So simply hold the aPour again, lift at the base just until those tabs clear. There. That's disassembly.